So it's going to take that package, that library that Rory pointed out moments, and automatically download that and include it. So that's functionality that comes pre-packaged today in Codebuild. Now once we're there, we'll be able to do either npming, pipping. If it's Java, we can do the Java compilation. You can bring your own Docker. So you've got the support for building all the different kinds of languages and capabilities that you need. And then finally, once we've gotten all of that code set up, we'll package it into the form that Lambda recognizes. Same thing it uses today, so the zip file, fully elaborated with all the libraries, so it's got no module dependencies on anything else. It can run as a fully self-contained unit. And then we'll get to the final step here, where Code Pipeline will integrate with CloudFormation, hand over both the code and the SAM template, and then we'll see that go off and deploy and either build in the first place or update previously existing pieces. And those can include Lambda functions, APIs, data stores, and other pieces here. So I'm going to hand this back over to Rory, and we're going to go take a look at where we've gotten to in our pipeline here and see some of this in action.
Awesome. So let's go back to here. Let's go take a look at this pipeline. So here we are. This is Code Pipelines. All I'm defining here is I've created this before, and I have it pulling from a Git repository. Make sure this is coming up right.
There we go.
I have a Git repository I'm pulling from. You can see that it pulled the change automatically. I didn't do anything. I didn't tell it to pull things. It is pulling things as it is happening. The next step, there we go. The next step that's going to happen here is we're going to have it go to Codebuild and actually build my source. So let's take a look at what that next step looks like. As I talked about earlier, I have this package.json, and here I have defined my dependency. I need this package called moment, and I need at least version 2.16. So normally, you run npm install locally, you zip it up, you publish this whole package to Lambda. What I've actually done here is using Codebuild, I can define this build spec. And what the build spec does is I have build steps that it runs in order, does whatever required, basically runs these commands, and then gives you an output artifact you can deploy. So here I have the first two steps. I have my npm install. Obviously, if you're using Python, this could be your requirements.txt, so your pip. And the next step that we do is this AWS CloudFormation package command, which is the new command that we introduced with the SAM template. And that takes your input SAM template, which in my case I called the saml.yaml. You pass in an S3 bucket where you want to store the resulting the resulting combined artifact, and then you give it the name of the artifact you're going to output. So that is going to be your CloudFormation artifact, right? So that's all I've done. If we go back to CloudFormation here, we can see inside Codebuild that it actually has run all the steps. It has run all the steps, it has taken everything, has run my build steps, and is giving me that output artifact. And now if we go back to the pipeline, out here. Yeah, 1 second. If we go back to here, I can see that Sam has some friends to play with. So essentially what we've just done is we've made the code change, we've built it, we've deployed it, and it's done all that for me inside the whole CD pipeline. And the next step is obviously, this is really cool. We haven't had this before.